Your pace of joy is a pace where you feel rounded and strong and alive and aligned in your body. What we're cultivating at the school is a way of being. Hello, I'm Elisa, and I'm here to talk a bit about the extended version of Celebrating the Body Erotic, or the CBE. The regular program is 3 days long, and the extended version is a whole extra day. This was very intentional, and it was a response to the times that we find ourselves in, when it often just feels like we don't have enough time to do the things we want to do. Life has sped up so much, our to-do lists are so long, and there's competing priorities. So this is a whole extra day to move at a slower, meaningful pace. One of the biggest teachings for me in the Body Electric School is this idea of how to stay true and authentic to myself while in the presence and interacting with somebody else. My Chinese name is Ziqing, and my Chinese name is something I try to live by and live into every day of my life. It's what I've dedicated my life to, because my Chinese name means teacher or medicine of human potential. And that is why I am teaching for the Body Electric School, because for me, this giant realm of Eros and what it is for us and what it can do for us is tapping into our human potential. This is a residential program, which is always my preference. There's something really special about being in an uninterrupted container, where when you arrive until the time you leave, you are with the same people and the same energy is cultivated throughout. We will be doing the exact same practices that we would learn in a regular CBE, and of course we have more time to integrate them more strongly and fully in your body. And the hope is then when you go home, you'll have a more solid foundation to ease the transition so that these practices continue in your regular daily life. So if any of this resonates with you, I invite you to really consider joining us, and I hope to see you there.